Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So if you guys seen the last video, you guys know that we went out to Santa Rosa and we picked up the C5, and we were supposed to be going to pick up the C6 also the same day, but it was just way too damn hot. It was a holiday and we're just like, you know what, we're just gonna stay home and chillax. But if I because on the hottest day of my life, like I don't even think I've ever been in like 114-degree weather, and my AC at home decided to take a shit. So I can't believe it. Like I literally can't believe it. So somebody's supposed to be coming to check the AC and stuff today, but while it's not too crazy hot, I think it's like 90 right now. It's barely about to be 10 o'clock and it's already 90 degrees. So I want to go out here, get my C6 real quick. That way I'm not driving it back at the hottest point. And for those that ain't seen the last video, no more wrap. Wrap's all off. Need to wash this thing, probably peel the wrap off the roof and re-wrap it. Yep, this is the OEM color. It's the pewter. Alright, so my bruh here. What's up, food?
I'm just admiring the fact that this is home now.
No, Aaron loves the C5.
I do. I never thought I would.
So just pretty much move the cars over, smudge it, feel me? Get them in their own little lines. That way we can fit the C6 right here. Alright, so driving the C6 home right now. Was just stuck in a little bit of traffic, but this is a good comparison. You guys know I drove the C5 home yesterday, and I was kind of like telling you guys like what the temperatures are running with the car and AC. It's about 105 outside right now. Look, car's running 223, so the C6 does run slightly cooler than the C5, but the C6 also has like has the half radiator for the supercharged setup, and it also has these new crazy small fans or whatnot. So I mean, I would assume, yeah, C6 does run cooler. You can see the temperatures going down now that we're getting out of traffic and AC is still on. So yeah, it's dropping like crazy. 219 right now. The C5 was about 226, and then in traffic it was about the highest I seen was like 230 or so on the C5, but C6 runs cooler. 217 now. So it's just dropping fast now that we're moving. But yeah, today's gonna be insanely hot, man. Like I didn't even vlog at Sac Speed Shop. I was just like, let me grab the car and get on the road so we can get back home. I got a few things that I want to do to the C5, but I just don't want to be driving this thing when we get to that peak hour. And we got the AC dude coming. We actually got somebody to come out early. So instead of waiting to 6 to 8, somebody said that they can slide through at 1. So hopefully we can get the AC fixed at the house. I don't want my granny in there cooking and burning up. Also, for my C6 people, let me know. I have a Racetronics fuel system back there. If somebody's interested in buying it, I have the Racetronics cinder unit with the fuel pump, and I have the 1000cc injectors if somebody's interested. Just getting home. Starting to fill up all the spots because everything's starting to come home. But yeah, like I was saying, for anybody that's interested in the fuel system, here you go right here. Racetronics cinder unit. It has a Walbro 450 pump. Injectors right here, 1000 cc's. You guys seen when I had did this whole build, so you guys know that all this shit is brand new. And then if somebody wants like the full thing before I even send this back, I actually have the booster pump for it, and I also have the hot wire kit. So if somebody's interested, let me know, man. For the whole thing, hot wire kit, booster pump, center unit, injectors, everything. I'll do probably like 1,400 shipped. Let me know. Send you everything. But yeah, anywho, man, let's get inside. We'll be back out later when things start cooling off. Plus, I gotta wait for this AC dude to get here to fix our HVAC system. All right, so we got the AC dude here. Y'all can see him walking back there right now. I'm hoping he fixes it. Are you hoping the AC works, Rams?
Yeah, kinda, yeah.
It's hot. How hot is it in here? He gonna be gone soon, so y'all can come out. Why you barking at that man? Why you barking? Hey. Hey, I'm gonna let you out in a second, okay? Okay? Okay. Kimbo, let me see your face. Let me see your face. You chilling, huh? No. Why you so jealous? You jealous I'm touching your brother? You jelly I'm touching your brother? Huh? Here, let me touch you. Here, you just want to lick my finger. That's all you want to do. You just want to lick my finger. That's all you ever want to do is lick my finger. Here, go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. Get it. Get that finger. Get that finger. Praying. I'm like over here hiding in the last bit of shade that I got. I'm not over here vlogging. I'm telling him I'm hiding in the little bit of shade from the shed that we got.
I'm down bad, bro.
Dude, it's like 112 right now. I feel bad for you.
It's all good, man. I'm making money.
Oh my god. Bruh.
My knees are on fire right now.
Jeez.
Damn, I can't even.
That's ridiculous.
Wild, bro. They got it different.
Yes. My man's fixed it. Got us back. We ain't gonna be overheating this motherfucker no more. You happy? Look, Granny ain't got ice. When we put this down your shirt for you? Alright, what's good, my peoples? It is a new day. Currently about 6:30 a.m. and I'm about to be heading over to Car Audio Engineers. They're basically the audio people that share the same shop with C6 Shop. So we're gonna be going over there. And we're gonna be finishing up the music on the truck. I gotta get the music all redone. Yeah, so gotta redo that. Also gonna be putting a full like alarm kit on here, some fucking dope ass shit. So I ain't gotta worry about this shit getting stolen. But yeah, that's what we're about to do right now. We're about to be heading out. So yeah, today we got I wouldn't say long day, but it's probably gonna take them a minute to do the truck stuff. But man, got the Chevys in the driveway. And then the Euro. Alright, so we just getting here. C6 Shop. And working with the dudes at Car Audio Engineering. Getting ready to get all this stuff fixed up. What's good, food?
What's going on? How you doing?
How you been? Nice and early. Jeez. So they did all the music on Alex's stuff too. Hell shit. Our new deck right here. Yeah, I didn't even notice that until you pointed it out. I'm like, bruh. So hopefully these door speakers and stuff are still good. I had talked to Cody. He said that some had touched and ended up taking out the deck, but I ended up buying a new deck. And then when I hooked it all back up, I only had one speaker working, so it was like the speaker that was working. So I'm hoping that maybe one of the channels on the amp got fried or something. So we'll see once they start checking and hooking up all the new stuff. But I already told Cody. Cody was like, he was like, I'll send money for it. But I'm like, I ain't tripping like that. It all needs to be redone anyway, so no big deal. What's up? This reverse cam is what? 1080p 4K or what? It's not gonna give me some
Yeah, hell yeah.
360p, or 320, whatever it is.
320.
Make it look all nice and pretty. Steering wheel control, but no steering wheel control.
No, that's a high low. It's high low to a splitter, out to RCAs.
So this is gonna be our new center console right here for the double din. Just got done spraying it, getting the color matched up with the rest of the interior. Thing's gonna look sick. All right, so the new double din is in. It's kind of dark, so y'all can't really see it, but new double din's in. Wiring all under here, all cleaned up. So they did test it out, said everything's working. So they're gonna finish hooking all this up, and then we'll be back shortly. That way I can show y'all the finished product. All right, man, so everything's all done. I'll give y'all a better view when we get home, but we got the double din all in. Dope ass alarm setup. Has a pager, the whole shit, comes with the app, like all kind of wild crazy stuff that, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna disclose the security measures on here, but we got some shit. But we got the push button start, everything. It's pretty sick. Come on, you gonna start up for me? There you go. It's all started up. It's dope. It's dope alarm setup, and the music sounds hella crispy in here now too. New radio setup sounds dope as hell, but we can't play nothing because, you know what I'm saying, copyright. It also has it, see, you touch the brake, it just dies. Safety feature when the key isn't on. Sick alarm, man. They do super dope audio stuff. Obviously, if they share a building with C6 Speed Shop, you know they do like top tier stuff. So of course, you know what I'm saying, it's not gonna be a cheap setup. All together, almost 2,600 bucks for everything, but super dope setup, man. Super dope setup. The radio sounds super crispy. Definitely sounds way better than what it did before. It was like the highs were hella loud. It was like anytime you hear an S or a high clap or something, it'd be like all in your ear, just so now everything sounds crispy. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Definitely happy with it. Just that was kind of like the last stage that I wanted to get everything, get the music crispy, since I'm gonna be driving this around more often. And we got, you know, the security safety features on here because these things do be getting stolen. You guys remember when I first got this thing, the ignition was broke, the fucking door handle you could wiggle it with the key or whatever. So all the ignition keys, door keys, everything's been replaced. So we've just been upgrading the security stuff on here. Oh yeah, so as we backing out, I just gotta show y'all this reverse cam real quick though. We got the reverse cam, y'all know what I'm saying? All right, copyright. All right, so just getting home right now. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show Nita the new setup and shit. God, man, look at my light just falling out. I'm waiting for my new lights to get here. They should be here sometime this week. But yeah, bucket. Wanna see some cool shit?
Yeah.
See some cool shit?
Yeah. Starting up.
Ooh!
That's cool. What's that?
My pager tells me everything. Go get in, check out the new music. Tell me if you think it sounds better. I'm gonna be outside because I ain't trying to get hit with copyright. Let me see, we gotta give her something that slap.